Hello guys and welcome back sa ating channel mga passive. Hello. Ano ngayon? Sabado. Marami kaming lakad mamaya. So bago kami umalis, gawa muna tayo ng video about sa income na na-receive natin for the first week of February. Kung bago ka lang dito sa channel na to, if you happen to watch this video for the first time, my name is Jeff and I share about our personal journey into achieving financial independence, financial freedom, and we are also hoping to retire early. So guys, let's break it down. Okay, for the first week of February, we receive a total of $360.42. As we all know, lahat ng kapit namin ngayon is US covered call ETF, so we receive US dollar dividends. So here's the breakdown, guys. For QDTE, for the first week of February, we receive $27.73, followed by triple QY, we receive $40.76. Next is YMAG from YieldMax. We receive $41.46. For YMAX, another one from YieldMax is $88.57. And then Coney, which is monthly, we receive $143.26. and another $18.64 from Coney. So meron kaming small separate account that holds Coney and MSTY. So yung Coney, guys, it pays us monthly, and the first 4 ETFs that I cover here, they pay weekly. So yun guys, $360.42 passive income. So how about that, guys? So kahit natutulog ako, doing nothing, it's like somebody's working part-time for me. Ayun yung niya, yung power ng passive income investing strategy. So kahit na very minimal effort lang yung kailangan, it's so powerful that it actually covers a lot of our monthly expenses. So yun ang nagustuhan ko dito sa strategy na to, guys. So yun guys, it's a short video lang for today, and mamaya nga busy kami, ang dami namin pupuntahan. Pupunta kami sa dentist ng anak ko, and then we're gonna go grocery shopping, and then bibisitahin ko yung aming uncle and tita ko. So yun, maraming salamat for watching, guys. This is just a quick video. I'll update you guys with another video covering this topic, passive income investing strategy and covered call ETFs. Thank you guys, and see you on the next one.